career options in data science and analytics. According to The Economist, the world's most valuable resource is no longer oil, but data. Data in the 21st century is like oil in the 18th century, an immensely valuable asset. Like oil, those who learn to extract and use data can gain huge rewards. We are living in the digital era where data is more valuable than ever. It is the key to smooth functionality of all entities, from the government to local companies. Without data, progress would halt. Data science is a blend of various tools, logical strategies, calculations and machine learning principles with the goal to discover hidden patterns from raw data. Data science is a combination of computer science, math, and statistics, and business knowledge. Data science has been ranked as the best job in America for 2019 by Glassdoor.com. Bloomberg regards data scientists as the new superheroes. Data scientists, machine learning engineers and data engineers are among the most attractive professions at the moment. They are in high demand and are among the highest paying jobs. The demand for data scientists has increased drastically over recent years. Data visualization is the presentation of data in a pictorial or graphical format so it can be easily analyzed. Data preparation is the process of converting raw data into another format so it can be easily consumed. Text analytics is the process of examining unstructured data to extract key business insights. Pattern recognition is the technology that recognizes patterns in data. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence based on mathematical algorithms and automation. Data analytics is used everywhere, from aviation route planning to predictive maintenance analysis in manufacturing plants. Even industries such as retail utilize analytics to improve customer loyalty and tailor unique offerings. With such a boom in the use of analytics, having the skills required to work with data isn't just valuable, it's all but a necessity. Apart from the financial benefits that the high demand for data analytics can provide, there are innumerable new opportunities cropping up for talented employees. Extremely easy to master from a young age. You can start simple visualizations during your teams as well. Every industry, be it manufacturing, retail, business or healthcare, needs professionals who can do simple analysis. High-paying jobs. It is a branch of data science and is hence easier to master. To pursue a career in data science, you can take up the following undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Bachelor's of Engineering or Technology in Computer Science or Information Science. Master's in Mathematics or Statistics. Master's in Computer Application. Philosopher's degree in Artificial Intelligence. The skills required to pursue a career in data science are: expert in any computer language like Python, Scala, Golang, R, etc. Expert in SQL and databases like Hadoop and Hive. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills. And excellent communication and interpersonal skills. You can start right now by honing your skills in SQL, Python and visualization through online courses. Machine learning engineers are advanced programmers who develop artificial intelligence systems, work with vast data sets and perform advanced programming. Deep learning engineers use deep learning platforms to develop programming systems that mimic brain functions and develop neural networks, which are data structures that simulate the structure of the human brain. They are key players in autonomous driving, facial recognition and robotics. Algorithm developers develop algorithms, computer programs that prioritize Google results, suggest recommendations on Netflix and select and execute trades in microseconds. Data analysts inspect, cleanse, transform and model data, with the goal of discovering useful information and informed conclusions. To explore more career options in data science and analytics, check the links in the description box.